Well, the weekend is here, and that brings us to number 3. You worked hard this week, so how will you reward yourself? Well, Chris Swigert in the Web Center with a couple of good ideas for you. Chris?
Yeah, Brenda, there's a lot of really cool things to do this weekend, especially on Saturday when the weather's going to be a little bit nicer. Here are some of our favorite weekend picks. If you're into the local music scene and you're into pork, check out the Bacon Fest at Dad's Garage. The festival starts at 1 tomorrow. There will be drinks, bands, and of course, plenty of bacon. The event is the annual fundraiser for Dad's Garage. Now, if pork isn't your thing, maybe seafood is. The Oyster Crawfish Festival is Saturday at Park Tavern. That's right near Piedmont Park. That event will be headlined by rock band Cowboy Mouth. And there are some family-friendly events this weekend, too. If you're a motorhead, this is the last weekend to check out the Atlanta International Auto Show. That's being held at the Georgia World Congress Center. It runs through Sunday. And baseball season is right around the corner. Check out the Turner Field Open House Saturday from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. Live out your baseball fantasy by running the bases, throwing in the bullpen, or shag some fly balls in the outfield. You can also meet former Braves pitcher Zane Smith. And one other thing we want to remind you about, all those great concerts at Chastain Park this summer, the tickets for those concerts go on sale Saturday at 10 o'clock. Go to ChastainSeries.com to buy those tickets for some.
Boys behaving?
You talking to me? Alvin and the Chipmunks, the Squeakquel, and the bonus Squeak-Along Disc tomorrow.